Most people get this wrong when choosing a Marriott credit card. They pick the highest rewards card and assume it is automatically the best deal. But here's the truth no one tells you. The best Marriott credit card is not the most expensive one. It is the one that actually matches how often you travel and where you stay. In this video, you will learn exactly which Marriott credit cards make sense in 2026, who should get each one, and which card gives you the best hotel value without wasting money on unnecessary annual fees. By the end, you will know which card fits your travel style so you can earn more free nights and stop overpaying. Let's start with the basics quickly. Marriott credit cards are designed to give you free hotel nights, bonus points, elite status, and perks like late checkout or room upgrades. But here's where most people fail. They choose a premium card without thinking about how often they actually stay at Marriott hotels like Marriott Bonvoy properties, Sheraton, Westin, or Courtyard. Now here's where it gets interesting. In 2026, the real value is not just points. It is elite status benefits that save you money on breakfast, parking, and upgrades. Let's break down the top options so you can decide clearly. First is the Marriott Bonvoy Bold card. This is the no annual fee option. If you are someone like Jake who travels once or twice a year and just wants to collect points slowly, this is the safest starting point. You get basic Marriott Bonvoy points on purchases and some travel protections. But here's the problem. You do not get free night awards or strong elite perks. So this card is good for beginners, not frequent travelers. Next is the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless card. This is where most people find the sweet spot. It has a moderate annual fee, but gives you a free night award each year after account renewal. So imagine John staying at a hotel that normally costs $200 a night. That one free night already covers most of the card's cost. You also get Silver Elite status, which can sometimes unlock small upgrades and late checkout. But here's what most people miss. This card becomes extremely valuable if you stay even 3 to 5 nights per year at Marriott hotels. That's the break-even point where you start winning. Now let's move to premium options. The Marriott Bonvoy Bevy card is designed for people who stay regularly but not constantly. Think someone like Alex who travels monthly for work or short trips. You earn higher points per dollar and get bonus points on stays, plus a free night reward when you hit spending requirements. Now here's the catch. You only win with this card if you actually meet the spending threshold. Otherwise, the value drops fast. And finally, the top-tier option is the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card. This is the luxury card. It comes with Platinum Elite status, lounge access, and high-end travel perks. But here's the truth. This card only makes sense if you stay at Marriott hotels often or value luxury experiences like free breakfast, suite upgrades, and premium lounges. If you are a casual traveler, this card is too expensive for what you get. Now, here is the simple decision rule. If you travel rarely, go with Bold. If you travel a few times a year, Boundless is the best value. If you travel often and spend regularly, Bevy can work. And if you want luxury hotel perks and stay frequently at Marriott properties, Brilliant is the top choice. But here's the final insight most people miss. The best Marriott credit card is not about points alone. It is about how much value you extract from free nights and elite benefits in real hotel stays. So before you apply, match the card to your travel habits, not marketing hype. To wrap it up, Marriott cards in 2026 are powerful tools if used correctly. Pick the right tier, focus on free nights and elite perks, and you can save hundreds on hotel stays every year. If this breakdown helped you understand which Marriott card fits your lifestyle, like the video, comment with your travel frequency, and subscribe for more credit card guides that actually help you save money and travel smarter.